exploring the world's most advanced vehicles. Today, we're diving into a masterpiece that redefines luxury, performance, and innovation. The 2025 Lamborghini. This new iteration from the legendary Italian automaker isn't just a car, it's a statement of engineering brilliance and artistic craftsmanship. Packed with cutting-edge technology, futuristic design, and unmatched power, the 2025 Lamborghini is here to set new benchmarks in the world of hypercars. Let's start with the exterior design, which captures the essence of Lamborghini's signature boldness while introducing a refined, futuristic aesthetic. The angular lines, aggressive stance, and aerodynamic curves create a car that looks like it's speeding even when standing still. The front fascia is dominated by sharp LED headlights, seamlessly integrated into the sleek bodywork. The wide grille and sculpted air intakes aren't just for show. They optimize airflow and enhance performance. Every detail, from the carbon fiber accents to the lightweight alloy wheels, has been meticulously crafted to reduce drag and increase speed. Under the hood, the 2025 Lamborghini houses a groundbreaking hybrid powertrain that combines a roaring V12 engine with advanced electric motors. This hybrid system delivers jaw-dropping power output, rumored to exceed 1,000 horsepower, ensuring lightning-fast acceleration and top speeds that rival the fastest cars on the planet. All the while, remaining true to the company's art. Lamborghini has also focused on sustainability, equipping the car with a state-of-the-art battery system that offers a respectable electric-only range for city driving. Yet make no mistake, the roar of the V12 reminds you that this is still a true Lamborghini at heart. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like the cockpit of a spaceship. Premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine leather are combined with a minimalist yet ultra-modern design. The fully digital driver display offers customizable options, putting all essential information right at your fingertips. A massive touchscreen dominates the center console, loaded with the latest in infotainment, navigation, and connectivity features. Lamborghini's AI assistant ensures an intuitive driving experience, while advanced driver assistance systems provide added safety without compromising the thrill of driving. Performance is where the 2025 Lamborghini truly shines. Thanks to its active aerodynamics, adaptive suspension, and precision all-wheel drive system, this car delivers unparalleled handling and stability. Whether you're carving through winding mountain roads or hitting the track, the driving experience is nothing short of exhilarating. Multiple drive modes allow you to tailor the car's performance to your mood, from a smooth, comfortable ride to a heart-pounding, track-ready beast. The 2025 Lamborghini doesn't just push boundaries in performance, it also embraces the future of connectivity and personalization. Through Lamborghini's proprietary app, owners can monitor vehicle performance, customize settings, and even control certain features remotely. Additionally, the car offers over-the-air software updates, ensuring it remains at the cutting edge of technology for years to come. With limited production numbers and an expected price tag well into the seven-figure range, the 2025 Lamborghini is undoubtedly a car for the elite. But it's more than just a status symbol. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a celebration of speed, and a vision of what's possible when art meets engineering. If you're passionate about cars that blend performance, luxury, and innovation, this is one vehicle you'll want to admire, even if it's from afar. So Francis, that wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Lamborghini. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more incredible cars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with Smart Car. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.